Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully. We just recently posted our first episode of the Top 5 series. This one was for the top 5 electronic purchases from Amazon. I hope you got to see it. If you missed it, it'll be linked in the description box below. You can check it out. We have lots of top 5 episodes that we're working on currently, but in the meantime, the house still needs to be cleaned. So this one will be for the Living Gratefully Clean With Me fans. It's going to be super sped up, time-lapsed, and we'll try to keep it really short, 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll get to see me clean pretty much the whole downstairs. There's a couple rooms that don't need to be cleaned, but let's get started.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you.
You guys, I filmed this video on the time-lapse setting on my iPhone, and I had no idea it would be this super fast. So this is the fastest clean with me I've ever done. Let me know in the comments if this is just too fast. I think it may be. You can't even see what I'm doing. I hope it motivates you though. The day before this, we had spent the entire day at the softball field watching our niece play in a tournament, so I needed to clean up and unpack the coolers and stuff like that. I use my dish soap spray for the countertops, as y'all know, and on so many other surfaces in the house, but if I need to disinfect something, I use the Lysol cleaner. It's one of my favorites, but anyway, I wipe out the coolers and then let them dry with the lids open.
Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get
At the beginning there, I put some cleaning music on from the Living Gratefully channel. It's a whole hour of upbeat music, and I love this playlist for myself, and you can use it too. It really gets me moving and motivates me to keep cleaning for the whole hour.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice, 'cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
Today, I'm cleaning the living room, kitchen, dining room, laundry room, master bedroom, and the master bath. I'm hitting all the hot spots like picking up, dusting, vacuuming, wiping counters, cleaning the toilet, and mopping. Just all the things that makes the house feel put together and clean and organized for the upcoming work week.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
choose up if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can.
Okay, here we are to the slower footage. Thank goodness. That was so fast, it almost makes your head spin. Scott washed the porch off for us. The pollen was terrible this year. He just sprayed it off with the hose. We didn't get the pressure washer out or anything. And I cleaned off our cushions with none other than a bowl of soapy water. Y'all know how much I love my Dawn dish soap. And I planted some flowers recently, so I put our porch back together and now it looks a lot more inviting. I went shopping at Lowe's with my friend Melissa, and she took me over to the clearance section of the plants. I had never bought clearance flowers before, but I kind of felt like it was a challenge to bring them home, give them some love, and try to keep them alive. If you've been following for a while, you already know how much I love my fake plants, so we'll see how this goes. This is a real venture for me.
Looks at me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. Talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat, but the taste is bitter. Oh, go on, chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be three for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light.
I had gotten rid of almost all of my pots for flowers because I was like, they just die anyway, and I like my fake plants. So actually, when we bought these flowers, I had to go buy some more pots, and I found some at Big Lots and a few at Lowe's, but I love this tall black one from Big Lots. It's actually a hefty trash can for $3.50. I loved the texture on it, and I liked the fact that it was tall, and since there is no drain hole, I put some rocks at the bottom before I put the potting soil in. And aren't these pretty? These are from the clearance rack. They called them distressed, which I thought was pretty funny.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't take that. Ain't gonna leave ya, wanna sabotage. You're a million.
And the last thing I do is put all of my cleaning rags into the wash on hot bulky water. And I had washed the bath mats, so now that they're dry, I'll put them back in the bathroom after we had gotten home from hanging out with some friends. And that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below. I'd so much love to hear from you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.